everyone, welcome to Talent Battle. Today we are going to start our new series of group discussion. The first topic of the series is whether technology is creating unemployment. As we know, every group discussion has four major parts: the introduction, the positive aspects, the negative aspects, and the conclusion. Now first, let us go to the introduction. The 21st century developments. Rapid developments in the technology has made human civilization easier in the 21st century. IT has changed every aspect of our lives from the way we live to the way we work. Technology making things simpler. We know that within a blink of our eyes, the important documents can be exchanged, which was much more difficult in the earlier days. We no longer have to stand in long queues to book a ticket. Industry Revolution 4.0. The latest Industry Revolution 4.0 has been focusing more on the extensive use of technology. Even though the improvisation in the technology has brought the world closer, on the other hand, it has some adverse effects on some sectors of the society. Now first, let us focus on the positive aspects. Technology does not cause unemployment directly. Yes, the use of technology increases the amount of accuracy in the job. It doesn't cause unemployment, but rather it shifts the human labor towards different kinds of jobs. Newer job opportunities. The use of machines and robots for every task in the industry led to the development of a large number of small-scale industries, eventually creating more and more job opportunities. Research by an English-based Deloitte consultancy analyzed employment trends for the past 140 years and reported that technology created more jobs than it rather took away. Because of the use of technology, people no longer have to do repetitive tasks. Instead, industries are focusing more on multitasking. Also, replacement of labors by robotic devices has lessened the amount of accidents in the industries and factories. Economical benefits. It has also increased the return on investment. It has also increased the return on investment and has made the manufacturing cost effective. E-learning. It has developed opportunities for online education by the use of YouTube channels. E-commerce. Use of technology in e-commerce has created multiple job opportunities in the form of delivery boys. Now let us go to the negative aspects. India is a country having its backbone in the villages. The rural areas are more likely to have low-skilled laborers as compared to the tech-savvy intellectuals. Hence, the ill effects of the technology are more felt in the rural areas. Because the low-skilled laborers remain unemployed, the poverty across the nation increases. As per the reports, there has been a major decrease in the amount of typists, weavers, and the construction workers. There is also an increasing dependency over the technology. For example, if in a bank the internet goes down, the entire operations are on hold. Businesses depending upon the internet are more prone to cyber attacks. Every other information present on the web can of course be stolen. Because of the upcoming trend of e-commerce, the local vendors have been losing customers at a great pace. Majority of the customers usually prefer to order online rather than visiting the stores. Now let's go to the last part, that is the conclusion. Technology has become an inevitable part of our day-to-day life, although it is important to have a balance between humans and technology. Irreplaceable human efforts. The human efforts required for the completion of a task are irreplaceable, but it is also important for every individual to keep oneself updated with the latest advancements around the world. We cannot, of course, deny the accuracy provided by the machines and the software, but it is also important to understand that the technology should be used only and only when it is feasible over humans. Simply replacing every human effort with technology is not the solution. Workshop for laborers. For low-skilled laborers, workshops can be conducted in order to introduce them to the new machineries. hence decreasing the amount of unemployment. And last but not the least, education. Education is always a remedy to everything. The literacy rate around the country should be increased to gear up our pace of development and, of course, to establish a newer and a more literate India. In this way, we can obtain a balance between humans and technologies and hence help our nation towards a better future. Thank you.